Hello, sir.
Okay, जी.
Uh, sir, my name is Saksham Goy, and my doubt is regarding the answer writing in ethics paper, especially the 10
Okay.
markers question. So, sir, what happens is we come across some questions that are not dealt in our study materials.
Hmm.
I saw a question which said that explain the relevance of the virtue of truthfulness in public administration services. So, sir, this dimension is not specifically mentioned in the Vajiram and Ravi ethics material that I use. So, sir, how should I deal with answering such kind of questions? Should I write like the essay type questions, like whatever best comes to my mind at that time, or is there any other strategy?
Okay, for ethics, I will suggest that ethics is more like a practical paper. Here you cannot write anything. So, with my experience, my ethics 4 140 GS4. So, virtue of truthfulness. So, this is very practical question. It is about explaining virtue of truthfulness. So, you can related with Gandhiji from Thinker or Martin is happening in real life. Affected your own life means what it have means sometimes you might have broke the signal, then police might have catch you. You have to pay the fine. So how truthful you was, or if your friend in the actual exam passed your cheat, whether you are seeing that cheat or you are directly taking this to the teacher or principal. So you have to relate it such things in actual exam. So ethics paper is more related to how you think, what is your aptitude, rather than what you mug up like other papers. So I will suggest that after finishing your 3 GS and optional, you will be able to write all these such answers. There is only one thing which need to be focused on, that is your understanding of the question. If you understand the question very well, then there will be no problem in writing such answers. And if don't leave any question in exam, there might be some such questions which might come in also GS 1 to 3, where you might have not heard about anything. Like this year it was Cyber Dome, last year it was Juno mission, Jupiter mission. So it's better that instead of leaving such questions, you write down anything whatever you know about it, because 1 mark may also create a difference. So in such questions, right, if you don't know anything, just write it down what you know in real exam. But when you are practicing that time, do focus that after this paper you get your doubt clear. Okay. Sir, which pen you use for mains exam? Okay, I will suggest that regarding pen, whichever pen you feel uh, easy and comfortable, right? Like in sense of its weight, and how you able to write it down, draw the lines and all this, draw the figures, facts, how you can manage. So it varies person to person, but most of the people use Primex pen, so it's up to you.
Hello, sir. Am I
Okay.
audible?
Yeah, yeah, you're audible.
My name is Shakti, and I
Okay,
have two doubts.
okay,
First one is, thing is, I just started my preparation in this year, July, and as you know,
okay,
many of us will start in the mid of the year, right? And
okay. Yes, yes,
one of the most important thing is mains, because that
yes.
proves our individuality.
Okay,
Since I just started my preparation, my progress is I finished half of ancient India, and I'm almost in three-fourth of economics. Say if I'm going to start my answer writing, how will I cope up with it? Because the timetables of any mains answer writing test series it will include almost all the subjects, right? So
yes, yes.
how will I be able to cope with that? First one is that.
Uh,
Yeah, go ahead, sir. I'll
okay,
ask
I will
you.
explain. I will explain this one first. As you are, as what you have said that you have started in July, so
Yeah.
only 4 months have had. July,
Yes.
October. Only 4.5 months have finished, and you are reading. You have read only ancient history and
And economics.
economics. Economics from where?
Yeah. Economics, I'm doing self studies. So I use basic books like NCRTs, and I use Sanjeev Verma and lot of notes. That's all. Self preparation.
Okay. Okay. In this case, I will suggest to that whenever you will get a question on your website, you just
Okay.
search it on. You just search regarding that topic on Google, do Wikipedia,
Okay.
or search related material to it in your notes, whichever notes you are referring. Read it
Okay.
twice and then write that answer by closing that notes. So
Okay.
it will take lot of time around 2 hours or 1.5 hours. But this
Yes.
exercise is necessary for you because as you are beginner and you might be not knowing about many topics which might be asked
Yes.
in future. So you can do in this way. Means your topic will be also get clear, your concept will get cleared, and you will be able to write a mains answer. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Hello, sir.
Second,
My name is
And
Deepu Vishwakarma.
no, that
Am I
person is
audible,
want
sir?
to ask the second question. Wait, Dipuji, that
yeah,
person want to ask the second question.
Yes,
Let
sir.
us.
Sir,
just
good
a
evening, sir.
minute.
Very, very good evening.
Okay, let him
Wait a
finish.
minute. That person is asking second question. Let his question finish.
Okay,
Sir, my
my
question.
second, I'll say first.
Second
Sorry,
question.
I'm disturbing. Okay, my second question is some of them in the chat has also been asking if you could provide a base for how to do answer writing, and how to do in lights, and then go with discussion. It would be better. Some have been suggesting
Okay.
that too.
Okay.
So
That I have
my
also done earlier,
request.
but I will repeat it again. Uh,
Okay.
okay. I will start with general each and everything in general. We can take a question, and from that question, I can explain you in a better way. So question कुठे गेला रे?
Hello, sir. My name is Deepu Vishwakarma, sir.
Wait, Deepak. Just let me explain you guys with a question
Yes, sir.
that help. Hmm. I have a question. So instead of giving a lot of different lecture, I will just start with a base how to start a question answer writing. So just if you guys have pen and paper, just write down one question. Okay, start. Mention the issues with the public healthcare system in India. Mention the issues with the public healthcare system in India. Okay, full stop. How can these issues be addressed? How can these issues be addressed? Okay, all of you have written. I am starting with very basic, but just I am taking it in a question answer format so that you will understand it in a better way. Okay, written all of you. Then underline mention word,
Yes, sir.
issues word,
Okay, sir.
public healthcare system, and
Yes,
the
sir.
last addressed word.
Address word. Okay, sir.
Okay, I am repeating my question. Mention the issues with the public healthcare system in India. How can these issues be addressed? Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay, I have repeated down. All of you have underlined that mention issues public healthcare system and may addressed.
Yes, sir. Done it.
Okay, so we will discuss on this question. Okay, so just think that this is a new question to you also and to me also. This is very basic question, so we will start with the basic. I don't know anything about this, and you also don't know anything about this. So first we will think about that what has been asked in the question. So what is the first uh, line of the question? Mention the issues with the public healthcare system in India. So the question want to give us enlist us the issues which Indian healthcare system is facing. Okay, so we got the first thing that we have to mention the challenges, issues. Okay, what is the second part? How can these issues be addressed? So with this, we also have to give solutions to the problems which you have mentioned above. Okay, so this part is also clear. So we have the body part. In body we have to write challenges, and in second part we have to address them. Okay, to give solutions. But how to start with the intro or how to conclude it? Okay, intro and conclusion are also very important in such questions. Uh, so here, most of the people will try to explain what is public healthcare system: affordability, accessibility, availability, cheapness, uh, very dear to poor, like
Yes,
such
sir.
thing. Okay, so don't do such thing. Just mention that in India, before every 1 lakh people, there are 130 doctors available, which WHO has recommended to 200. Okay,
Yes.
so uh, looking at such situation, we can also quote a similar types of issues in the following manner. Okay, so this can be one type of intro. What I have given a data. Okay, or second, we can say that to achieve a healthy India as a superpower, India needs to be a Indian citizens need to be healthy. But if you look at NHFC National Family Health Survey data, there
Yes,
are
sir.
40% women are anemic. Okay, there are also such major issues related to Indian healthcare systems which are listed below. Okay, this is another type that I am analyzing the issue. What is issue? This can be one type. Okay,
Yes,
or you
sir.
can give a third case study that two girls from Kalahandi district have died because of malnutrition. Okay, or Palghar district because of malnutrition,
Yes,
which
sir.
shows the second side of depleting healthcare system in India, of which challenges can be listed below. Okay, so now only I have given you three types of intro. Okay, all of you got it. So these are the, so you can give it in any way whichever you want to, whichever way you want to give it. But what I have done, I have kept it as a simple. I didn't explain what is healthcare system because everybody know what is healthcare system. System is from procuring to distribution. It's everything is system. Okay. So now we have to go to the challenges. As we have discussed that we have to address the challenges. So first challenge is basic. It is infrastructure. So give a heading infrastructure. Make it box to infrastructure. Give two dot and line. Below it write lack of medical colleges and universities and allied courses in India. Okay. Second, lack of hospitals, beds, doctors, nurses, and supporting staff. Okay. Uh, then second is funding, lack of fund. Third is quakes. Fourth is superstitions. Fifth is illiteracy. Sixth is negligence. Okay, right? Enlist such points. I will not explain each and every point. So I'm just giving you idea. Enlist such points. At least give 10 or 12 points. Okay. So after this, we have to give some join line because we have to also address the second part. How can these issues be addressed? So this question demands 50-50% weightage to both the parts of the question. So first part we have explained 12 points. In second part we have to give another 12 points. Okay. Okay, that this person, Arthi, I will suggest you to, I will provide you my first video. I will give you link. I will talk with this to Ravi sir because otherwise whole class will get disturbed. Okay, Arthi, don't worry. Just I will talk to Ravi sir. Ravi sir, provide this Arthi
Okay, sir.
or
Okay, okay, sir.
previous lecture video. Okay.
Sure, sir.
Okay, because I have to take this question, I have to explain the student how question has to be addressed.
Okay, okay, sure, sir. We'll provide.
Okay. Okay. So we have to give equal 50% weightage to second part. How can these issues be addressed? Okay, so firstly you talk with infrastructure. So talk with talk with the infrastructure. Infrastructure, like you have to increase the medical colleges, universities. So, but who have said this, or who is recommended it? It is recommended by the Niti Aayog. Okay, in 3-year action plan. So that's why they have started increasing AIMS and many government medical colleges. Okay, and also government have also allowed these BHMS, BMS doctor to practice allopathy. Okay, then second one is funding. There is one committee, HOTA committee, I think so, HOTA or Partha Sarathi Shom, I didn't recollect it. There is one committee, I am not recollecting it now. You have to mention that committee name, and you have to write how much funding, 6% of GDP they have given. Okay, so write such thing. After that, strengthening district hospital, use of PPP model, privatization. रूरल में कुछ incentives देने चाहिए. We have to increase the incentives in rural areas for the doctors. Okay, like for construction of hospitals, there can be some subsidy on such things. So you have to address such issue. Okay, address above challenges in such a way. In conclusion, again you can bring that the current grave situation created by COVID-19 have focused on the vulnerable healthcare system around the globe. Though India has done well in combating or fighting COVID-19, but if you address the above mentioned challenges, we can build our youth and population better better to fight the pandemic which may arise in the future. Okay, you can conclude such in such a way. Okay, so I will discuss one question with you. So you practice this question at home in the evening. Okay, for that there is a number. Sir, I am beginner. Please start with basic answer writing. This I have explained in another lecture. Ravi sir will provide you. Okay. For part 12 points, sir, unable to recall this much content in less than 10 minutes. Total 24 points. Baksh, what happens if you practice more and more? Then these 12 points, 12 points will come very handy to you. Because now only I am also reading this question first time, but I have enlisted you 8 to 9 points. So if you start practicing, then this 10-12 points are very easy to recollect. Okay, yeah, you can make them on the at the point. Okay, on the time. Don't worry. Then there is Sneha. Good evening, sir. First of all, thank you. Can you please tell the time should be taken to spend on optional and other GS subjects each day? Okay, I will suggest that if you finished GS in the beginning and then start with the optional, then it will be a good strategy. Because what I believe that we should choose our optional after reading GS at least 2 times. Because if in a hurry, if you choose any optional and afterwards we feel that I'm not interested in these subjects, then it will be a waste of time. And again, you will have to change the optional and all the resources and everything. So if you have done this in this way, then you can give 3-4 hours daily to optional and rest to the GS. Okay, because GS is also carrying equal weightage. Okay, Ravika ji, sir, please suggest which book we have to refer for ancient and modern history. Okay, for ancient, I will suggest NCERT, Bipin Satish Chandra, and modern R.S. Sharma. No, ancient R.S. Sharma and modern Satish Chandra. And for ancient, you can also refer to that 11 brown color new NCERT and introduction to fine arts. 127 pages.
Sir.
Okay. Sakti. Sir, there are a lot of beginners. It would be appreciated if you provide that video to all, since many of us haven't attended yesterday's video. Okay, we'll provide it. Don't worry. Sir, kindly mention about word limits for this question. This is 250 word question. Okay, it is a bit lengthy. It is simple, so it is 250 word because it is going to exhaust 2 people. Okay. Sorry to disturb. Okay. I couldn't able to watch yesterday's class. Is there any chance to view yesterday's class? Okay, I will ask Ravi sir to provide a video. Don't worry.
Sir, may I ask my question, sir?
1 minute. There is a question by Rahul. I will just address it. How should we approach answer writing? Should we completely write out of memory, or after looking at the question, should we refer to the material first? In the beginning, refer material first, and after 1 to 2 months of practice, then go to directly addressing the answer by whatever you can recall it in that manner. Okay. Who want to ask question?
Yes, sir. Can I ask?
Okay.
Myself, Deepu Vishwakarma, sir.
हाँ जी पूछिए.
Yes, sir. I am a Hindi medium student. Can we talk in
हाँ हिंदी
Hindi?
में पूछिए कोई दिक्कत नहीं.
सर मैं फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ये है कि प्रीलिम्स के लिए दृष्टिकोण क्या होना चाहिए सर?
प्रीलिम के लिए आई विल सजेस्ट दैट जनवरी तक कुछ करो मत प्रीलिम का. लेट वेट फॉर जनवरी तक मेंस ही करो. उसके बाद आई विल सजेस्ट कि पे मोर फोकस टू द स्टैटिक पार्ट, बिकॉज दिस ईयर एंड लास्ट ईयर आल्सो बहुत सारे लोगों ने स्टैटिक पे प्रीलिम क्लियर किया है. क्या हो जाता है कि करंट पे हम बहुत सारा फोकस कर रहे थे, तो करंट में से भी 20-30% आ जाता है, लेकिन वी रिलाई 70% ऑन करंट, 70% हम करंट पे रिलाई हो जाते हैं. तो स्टैटिक के लिए मैंने पहले वीडियो में मैंने बुक लिस्ट बता दी है, उसी को 3-4 बार पढ़ के ज्यादा से ज्यादा टेस्ट देने का सोचो. कि मल्टीपल टेस्ट से क्या हो जाएगा कि आपका माइंडसेट एनालिटिकल हो जाएगा, प्रैक्टिस भी हो जाएगी 2 आवर्स में पेपर पूरा कंप्लीट करने की, रीडिंग की, और बहुत सारा आपको जब आप रिवाइजन करेंगे टेस्ट तो बहुत सारा न्यू नॉलेज भी मिल जाएगा जो टॉपिक आपके छूट चुके हो.
सर आंसर राइटिंग में स्पीड बहुत धीमी है. आई मीन कभी कभी ऐसा लगता है कि सोच नहीं पाते आगे क्या लिखना है. इसके लिए क्या करना चाहिए सर?
उसके लिए जहाँ अपना दिमाग बंद हो गया वहां भी क्वेश्चन क्लोज कर दो, वही भी उसका कंक्लूजन कर दो. फिर उस क्वेश्चन को थोड़ा बाजू में रख के 2 मिनट रुको और उसके ऊपर फिर सोचो कि यार मैं इसमें और क्या क्या लिख सकता था, इसमें कौन से एंगल और मैं दे सकता था. क्या इसमें पॉलिटी एंगल रहेगा, क्या इसमें सोशल एंगल रहेगा, या फिर कोई आर्टिकल लिखना रहेगा, या फिर कोई कमेटी लिख सकता था, या फिर कोई लॉजिकल पॉइंट लिख सकता था. ओके. ऐसा सोच के पॉइंट्स को सोचो, एनालाइज करो, खुद के क्वेश्चन को एनालाइज करो. ओके. फिर देखो अगली क्वेश्चन में आपका इम्प्रूवमेंट हो जाएगा.
ओके जी सर. और एक क्वेश्चन और था सर, हैबिट के लोग, मतलब क्या हैबिट होनी चाहिए एक सिविल सर्वेंट की? आई मीन जैसे अभी से स्टार्ट करना हो तो कितने घंटे पढ़ना चाहिए?
डिसिप्लिन.
सर डिसिप्लिन.
Discipline is of most important. Discipline and integrity.
Yes, sir.
Okay, ji. There is a question in chat box. Okay. Okay. Can I use flowchart in modern history in GS1? Yes, of course. It will fetch you extra mark, Aishwarya ji. Yes, it is good if you use flowcharts. Shravani ji is asking, it's been difficult to complete the syllabus in one complete day. Oh, it's very hard to complete syllabus in one whole year, and you are talking about a day. How to complete syllabus in as per schedule in a tips? Okay, which syllabus are you referring? Which is given by class or which is given by UPSC? Because UPSC syllabus is taking one complete year, 1 and 1.2 or 3 year. Okay, around 14 months. So if you're talking about daily targets, then decrease your sleep, decrease your time waste, decrease your everything, and just focus on completing the syllabus. If you can't complete syllabus, then remember that your competitors are completing that's given topic, and they are ahead of you in the race, so you are out of the race here only. Okay, just pay focus that you are completing it. Devas Mehta is asking how to complete the schedule. Okay, okay, and again optional. So there, what should be priority for now? I am not able to complete all the things daily. I will suggest that carry with mains. Stuck to mains and prelim पे थोड़ा थोड़ा ध्यान दो. Then from mid January focus on prelim, because prelim though it's quite away, so currently focus on mains only. We will see in January how we can cover this prelim part which has left here. Okay, don't worry about that. So focus on mains and optional. Keep prelim bit aside. Whatever sir is providing in prelim 360-degree prelim test series, just solve this test and revise this test. Okay, rest focus on mains and optional. How to use government resources for the substitute answer? What are some good resources? Government's resources are check PRI website, then Supreme Court judgment. Then there are various committees you can get in Vision IS material. I will also ask sir to compile committees for you. Supreme Court, there is a booklet, Supreme Court judgment for UPSC. You can refer that. And for data, you will have to search it, because that there is no data accumulation done by someone. So you'll have to search it. There is one IPS, I don't know his name. He has he उसका एक book है. I will suggest you. I will ask Ravi sir to remind me this. So I will suggest you this book. Okay, don't worry about it.
Okay, sir.
Simple essay is asking, sir, which test risk should be taken. We are providing one, and if still you are not satisfied, then you can refer to Vision IS or Insight IS or IS Baba, anyone which you feel compatible. But just go with only test, because there are 35 to 40 tests, and it is hard to complete all tests and revise it 2-3 times. But just follow one test series completely, and just also have one more backup test series. Solve both test series. Okay, what is the problem allowed? Okay, Sonika ji, that will be provided by Ravi sir, that schedule, because if I start dictating all about prelim test series, then your important points will be missed. So ask some relevant question which I can explain. Okay, this because
Hello,
this
sir.
program can be explained in PDF. Okay. Okay,
Hello,
beta,
sir.
I am weak in CSET. Please guide me. Lakshmi ji, for CSET, I will suggest again. I will again suggest you to solve previous year question paper from 2015. And still, if you are getting low marks, then you will have to cover CSET by topic to topic. There is no other alternative. You have to remember one factor, that is thin factor. There is only one alternative, that there is no alternative. Okay, Ayush. So after getting feedback on our answer copy, what approach to be taken next, and how to improve the content? Okay, this is very good question. So here I will suggest you that after getting evaluated your copies, check the remarks. What remarks you have got? Whether it is asking you to work on your intro or conclusion on the body. So take similar question and start analyze. Okay, sir ने बोला है कि work on intro. So what mistakes I have done, and how to how my intro should be. Okay, or if sir is asking that add more points in the body, so what more points I can add. So start analyzing yourself, that what mistakes you have created and how you can improve on them. Okay, so this will help you a lot in the feedback system. Feedback system works in such way, and avoid repeating such mistakes in next questions. Okay, Shravani, as per the inlet IS delete archive, I am not getting. Okay, Shruti ji, sir, I have joined film test series as would focus on film from Jan. Before that, focusing on optional and yes, sir. Would your platform provide film test series in month of January, Feb? In January, Shravani ji, Shruti ji, we are starting our film test series in January. Anurag Pandey ji, sir, I am in FABA. Okay, and I have syllabus and previous year question. Now from 20 November, I have started with Insight, and I have time of 2.5. So till April, I will be reading Insight, and then I will standard works for coaching. Okay, there is no need of coaching. Insights has provided me their test series and the subscription till June in very low cost. So how can I use my time to crack UPSC in my first attempt? I am not sure that you will crack UPSC in first or last attempt, but I am sure that Anurag ji will crack UPSC. I will suggest that whatever you have made a plan, that finishing of the NCERT till April. So I will suggest you to stick with it, because there is need of strongness in your basics. So NCERT will cover your all the basic part. Till April, focus on NCERT. Then in April again ask me. I will suggest you some new things to you, because without any base, I will not be able to suggest you any new thing. Okay. So first finish with NCERT, then you will look. You can ask me that time. Okay, Lakshmi ji, time management is the issue. So can you explain that how you are not getting time, or how we can do that? Because there are many people who are already in the service also cracking the exam. So time management is up to the individual, how he manages his time. Okay. I am also very busy currently. Still, I am managing the time. So you have to do that. SVN, about essay writing. Essay you have to, you just first finish GS question writing, because essays type is written like a GS questions. There is one dimension essay, general dimension, where you have to write political, historical, geographically, ethical, scientific angle. So if you're good in writing the GS questions, then essays will be very handy to you. And there is a essays about your innovative part, how you innovate it, how you articulate it, and how you analyze it, and then how you represent it. So for essay, what you can do, that you can take 3-4 simple points such as public healthcare system or education or women's empowerment, and first jot down a rough idea that in intro I will write a story that Savita was there, Sita was there, her mother was sick, her children was uneducated, her husband was daily wage laborer, and she used to wash utensil at nearby hospital. So their situation was very pathetic. They were not knowing about government schemes. Right, such bit story. Okay, or you can write any poem if you know about woman empowerment. Or you can create your own poem, or you can start with any real time anecdote. Okay, or any success story of any woman. Okay, and in body, so you can do in body. In rough idea, write that in political I will write out this. In geography I will write this. How geography changes woman's perspective. In society, how will write that how people look at the woman, how women look at the people, what are expectations of the people from the woman, what are expectations of the woman from the people. So write such different perspective, and in conclusion you can conclude in a forwardistic manner that how you see the role of the woman from your own perspective in the coming future. Okay, so I will discuss about the essay also. Hello sir, I want to know that whether your prelim series will be also contains monthly current affairs compilations. In prelim there will be questions regarding current affairs. Okay, Nancy. Okay, I don't know what is your spelling. Nancy G. There will be questions from the current affairs. Sir, preparing from home, some motivation, please. You can watch it in any video. I am here to guide, not motivate. There is difference between motivation and guidance. I will earlier also I have talked about told you a story. Now also I am telling you a story. Don't search motivation here and there. If you recently Diwali has went, so if you recollect that we light a diya in the Deepavali. So what we do, in the night we light that Deepavali. In the morning that diya is finished because that oil is finished. If you see at the bushfires recently happened in the Australia, the fire was started because of the friction between the two branches of a tree, and it has burned down whole the Australian bushfire. Okay, so the story tells you that if there is an external motivator to you, then there is a high chances of your failure. And if you are self-motivated, then you can burn down anything which will come in your way. Okay, be self-motivated, have your friction in you. Okay, don't find motivation here and there. Be self-motivated. And this watching motivated videos or watching some IAS entry or IPS khaki is not going to crack the exam.